and values both at home and abroad. And no matter where you're from, whether you're outraged by cuts to humanitarian funding, attacks on long-term...
There's so many funny signs. Turn right, that's right. There's so many good signs here. And that you had a FAFSA program. Yeah, hard to cheer student loans, I know. But they're important.
Hands off Ukraine!
Hands off Ukraine!
Hands off Ukraine!
I get lost around.
We've been at the
Make sure to leave a walk tank on the National Gallery side.
The policies Trump is following are a threat to the world as we have come to know it and enjoy it as very privileged Westerners, and it continues to threaten people in other countries around the world. It's not a question of location, it's a question of principle.
His energy that he's encouraging other people to have, that he's kind of the avatar of this hideous energy that has erupted like a boil on the face of humanity. And we have to pop this boil. And I think the only way really to do it is to talk about his comb over, talk about how fat he is, how gross he is, how anybody could think he's anything other than that is just perplexing, is it not? So, I mean, that's really, I guess everything grows out of that. Everything he represents, it's like if you took the worst of America and shoved it into one body, it would be Donald Trump.
The tariffs this week, or announced just yesterday, I think, hugely damaging to the world order, hugely damaging to this country. So that's just the most recent of a long set of attacks. But you know what he's doing to dismantle the federal government, what he's doing at the border, how he's sending people without due process back to concentration camps in El Salvador. There's a long list of things. But today we really want to send a message of solidarity to our friends and families back in America.
He's a horrible, small-minded person who is easily maneuvered, and the people who are maneuvering him are very, very, very dangerous. And he's very dangerous, but he's a small-minded and not, frankly, very smart person. So no, I don't know what to hope. I just hope this is over soon.
Because Donald Trump is nothing but a stand off the UK.
Hands off the UK!
Ended the program to track abducted Ukrainian children. So we now have no weapons. Continue that.